coming to the Ashwa Sanchalanasana. In case of Ashwa Sanchalanasana, where should be our focus? Any answer? Where? Thighs. One answer. Second? Forehead. Any other?
Between the eyebrows.
Between the eyebrows. Very good. Yes. So actually, we look at, sorry, up.
Our thyroid gland is getting, so like thyroid gland, that there is pressure is getting created there, no?
Yeah, pressure is also created on thyroid. But what is our dhyan? There are two different things. Okay, let's differentiate them. One is dhyan and another is vision. So I am asking dhyan. Okay. So very clear, very clear. Vision is what? By what we see by eyes. Where we have to see? We have to see up. Okay. Or even you can see a 30-degree up. Right? In Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Right. What about dhyan? Dhyan is that thinking of that organ. Taking our attention, not vision, to that organ. That is dhyan. So in sun salutation there are two things. One is dhyan and one is drushti, that is vision. Okay. So I am asking about dhyan. So dhyan is, you are right, it is between eyebrows. It is actually on Ajna Chakra. Ajna Chakra. Now, so this Ashwa Sanchalanasana itself is a very big project. First of all, okay. So very difficult to understand Ashwa Sanchalanasana. See, first of all, it took me a lot of time to understand why it is Ashwa Sanchalanasana. And second thing is, the dhyan or attention should be on Ajna Chakra. My God, the Ashwa or horse is famous for its legs. Correct? Why the attention should be on Ajna Chakra? And when you do it, you can give the answer better than me. Any tentative answer? Try to stretch your mind that what could be the answer. When you do it, you will get the answer, but yeah.
Hands are aligned with your Sanchalanasana.
Hands are
Hands and legs are properly aligned.
aligned.
Exactly.
Yes, that is a part of the answer actually. Any other?
If we have concentration over the that Anahat Chakra, then we can run fast.
No, not Anahat Chakra. It is the Ajna Chakra. In Ashwa Sanchalanasana, it is the Ajna Chakra. Yeah. We can run fast. She says that if you in Ashwa Sanchalanasana, if you do it properly, you concentrate on Ajna Chakra, you can run fast.
Like horse is running fast, very fast. So for that quality, I told like we can be moving fast in our not running, not exactly running. It's coming into picture. Like we can do things more fastly.
More fastly. Okay, it is also a partial contribution of answer. That's true. We can run fastly if you do Ashwa Sanchalanasana. But why Ajna Chakra? Again, comes to the same point. Then we should have attention on our legs, thighs. Correct? But it is a partial answer.
Right left brain coordination or something. The balance.
Coordination of brain, balance. Okay. If we have right leg stretched, okay, then coordination, and that is very, very true. It's also a partial answer of it. Okay, I have given you a hint.
To focus, to control its speed.
To control it.
Consciousness.
Yes, this is also very close to the answer. Control. The control is there. Very good. But again, dhyan. there is a dhyan. Correct?
Our mind runs very fast. So by doing this, we can be more conscious about the running fastness of the mind, thoughts in our mind.
Yes. So, but it has to, how it is connected to Ashwa Sanchalanasana and Ajna Chakra.
If we
It's more on focus, attention.
Focus.
When I am focusing between my eye,
Yeah.
concentration, focus on the object.
Yes, it is connected to focus. That's true. Now again question comes, why Ajna Chakra? Then why in Ashwa Sanchalanasana Ajna Chakra? Okay. I'm sure after this, yeah, go ahead.
it obeys, like chakra, Agya chakra, from the word itself, it is telling that it obeys the orders. So
Correct.
so that's the might be.
Yeah, that is true. It obey. Ajna Chakra is something which is which is connected with the glands of the gland. It's many people they connect it with the pineal gland. Many people they connect it with pituitary gland. But ultimately it is glands of the gland, because pineal glands is generally at the at this position. Some people say that no, it is more connected to pituitary gland. But anyway, pituitary gland is something which is a glands of the gland basically. So for example, thyroid stimulating hormone will be sent by pituitary. Okay, for stimulating insulin stimulating hormone will be sent by pituitary. So all stimulating hormones will be sent by pituitary. So that is true. That is a correct thing. But point is, why in Ashwa Sanchalanasana? Again, question is same.
Is it giving direction to your thoughts?
It's giving direction to your thought. It's aligning basically. It's aligning. But my question is again same. Why in Ashwa Sanchalanasana?
It is focusing on all the postures to complete the salutation.
Yeah, it is focusing. It is focusing here. Okay, we are going very close to that. And again, the hint is, when you do it, you will get the answer.
There are two things. First is like focusing on your Agya Chakra. That means we are thinking on, like, we are getting right direction where to go. Ashwa Sanchalanasana is like you have to run. So your thought should be run from your, like, that should be what we call we should get direction from Agya Chakra, like where our thought should go, like that way.
Yes, we get. Correct. We get where our thought should go actually. It's a concentrated point where we have to actually concentrate. It's a very, very sharp point. When we have a kind of mudra where we have both the eyes are to be concentrated there. We have something which is to be a dhyana mudra. It's a Ajna Chakra. Okay, but why in Ashwa Sanchalanasana? Now, okay, I'll give you another hint so that will make you a yoga teacher. Another hint. Why you concentrate on Vishuddhi Chakra when you are doing Uttana Hastasana?
Because it's balance.
It's balancing. Okay.
Particular part.
Sorry?
So that particular part gets stretched.
Exactly. That is the answer. What particular part is stretched? Can you imagine? Can you stretch this part? You'll require some 40 pinches. Okay, from here to on nose to on eyes, this that particular part will not get stretched. And in Ashwa Sanchalanasana that gets stretched. And that's the reason. That's why I'm saying, you do it, you will get the answer. What it says, you have to stretch one leg. Okay. Another leg is near to your chest. And you have to stretch your neck also. Okay, this way. You have to press your chest also to your knee. Correct? Your one leg is between two hands. And in this position where your toe is touching to the ground only and two hands and one leg, you have to stretch your neck. And in this case, you will find that your Ajna Chakra, it stretches. The skin here you will be stretched. So it's very needless to say. There is a simple principle behind it. What? Whichever portion is actually stretched or pressed properly, there you need to give your concentration. Swadhisthana Chakra, when you do forward bending, Swadhisthana Chakra is the only chakra which get along with even Manipur Chakra, because if we have a big belly, then Manipur Chakra, Swadhisthana Chakra, they both get pressed. Okay, so depending on the fat, but definitely Swadhisthana Chakra will get in forward bending properly. Second position, Swadhisthana Chakra will get pressed. Similarly, in case of Ashwa Sanchalanasana, Ajna Chakra will be stretched, which may not get stretched so easily. And that's the reason Ajna Chakra, all this concentration, your aligning thoughts, your aim, all these will come afterwards. But if I want to concentrate on Ajna Chakra, either I will have to press here lot way, but at the same time, your body should be accommodative, energetic, to get the activation of Ajna Chakra. Correct? And that accommodation and that activation only can be given in Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Because you are in very difficult position in Ashwa Sanchalanasana. Correct? Very difficult position. And as a result of it, you are concentrating on Ajna Chakra, concentrating on your what is known as Bhrukuti Madhya is very easy that time. And that asana itself will actually cause many different types of ailments of your body to go away. Your digestive challenges, even sciatica, people who are generally suffering from sciatica, they should not do, but if you are doing it, it can prevent the sciatica. Okay, there are challenges, for example, there are PCODs, so Ashwa Sanchalanasana is the best. In Ashwa Sanchalanasana, generally you cannot think of something negative, and that's why Ashwa Sanchalanasana is very important. So that is the crux of it. So no doubt about it is that people who are panicking, fearing or afraid, they should also go for Ashwa Sanchalanasana, because it is considered that makes you fearless. Ajna Chakra, if it is activated, will make you fearless.